Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening 10 2012 Camaro ZL1s. So let's get straight into it. First up, we're going to look at it as a release for the new model series, and this one here is in red. It's actually a really nice car, nice and plain, just that black stripe on the hood and the roof. Got some really nice detailings on this car. I was so happy to grab this whole heap of these 2012 Camaros. It's just an awesome looking car. I think the modern Camaro is really nice. So yeah, look at it. It's just really cool. It's got that nice grille at the front. Got the ZL1 on the hood, just that single black stripe, and it's wearing those MC5 wheels. Looks pretty nice with those wheels on it as well. You can see the black detailing from the black base. It's a really nice looking muscle car. Let's check it out in this metal flake dark blue. It doesn't actually look like a metal flake color until you get up close and sort of move it around in the light, and you can see the silvery flecks through this car. Again, another beautiful car. It's got the clear windows on this one and a grey interior. It's got the white stripe on the hood, the roof, the trunk. Got that Hot Wheels detail on the back there. I know you look at each car individually and you notice like different elements that you didn't see in the previous one. Like I noticed this one has those little red tampos on the side at the rear. Looks pretty cool. Okay, let's see it in this bright pearl yellow color. It's actually really nice muscle car color, this yellow. I really like this one, and the artwork in the yellow here is pretty nice on that card, so I couldn't wait to get this one out of the card. Nice black base. Again, still wearing those MC5 wheels. The whole series for the 2012 new models Camaro ZL1 were all wearing MC5 wheels, so they all match up nicely. You could probably, looks like they're all in a showroom, all different colors with all the same wheels, but this yellow one is definitely pretty nice. This pearl green color 2012 Camaro ZL1 is very reminiscent of the most recent release, the 2017 Camaro ZL1. It was released in a similar green, albeit a little bit darker, but they're two very similar cars. The styling is very hard to tell apart. If you were not a Camaro fan, you would not probably be able to tell the differences, but this one here in the green is actually quite a nice car. Yeah, it's got that nice black interior, it goes really well. Pretty nice car. And I noticed that this one has the aerial on top. I didn't notice it in the other ones until I saw it here on this one. It's that little black dot on top there. So that's a pretty cool little feature that I didn't notice until now. Now the car popped up again in 2013, this time in the Hot Wheels Showroom Garage series. It was released a few times, two red versions and a Zamac. Now the red versions are identical cars except for the wheels, which you will see when we pop it off the card here. This one has those red wheels, and you turn it up to look on the base, and you can see that those wheels are actually a crystal clear red. So that's pretty nice. They're OH5 wheels, so they're really nice track wheels. Both of the red releases had OH5 wheels, but this one is the one with the clear red wheels. It looks pretty nice, and it's got the very, very dark tinted window on both of these cars. It looks pretty cool. And this one, it has that red Team Hot Wheels on the roof. Looks pretty nice. So with that other release in the same series, the Hot Wheels Showroom Garage, these tires are red as well, but you'll notice that it's a solid red plastic this time around. So I think I prefer the solid red if we were going to go a different color instead of those clear red wheels. But again, with their PR5, or no mistake, they're OH5 wheels, which are the nice track wheels. But this car is a bit loose, like the base and the wheels and the windows on the inside feel a little bit loose in my car that I've got here. Let me know if you've got it and yours is a little bit loose. So the ZAMAC release for that Hot Wheels Showroom Garage series is this one, and it's got the blue wheels. So they're OH5, but they're clear blue. And so to differentiate, you can see the roof of this one says Blue Team Hot Wheels. So the red one said Red Team Hot Wheels, this one says Blue Team Hot Wheels. I'm not sure how many colored teams there were in that particular series, but these Camaros only have a red and a blue. I'm not usually a fan too much of ZAMACs, but this one is pretty covered up in tampos and decals, so it looks pretty cool. The blue window tint definitely does go with those blue wheels, so it's not too bad. It almost looks like a Hot Wheels racing series. Alright, this time it was in the Hot Wheels Workshop series, and this was a 2014 release. This is actually pretty nice. I would probably like to see just a plain white one, to be honest. This one is wearing the black and chrome MC5 wheels, and we've got those Speed Hunter decals on the side. So this card actually came with a promotion to win one of 2,500 track builder prizes, and the code is actually behind the car. You needed that code to enter the competition, so that's a pretty cool thing. We don't see often promotions on the cards, so that was pretty interesting to see that one on this Hot Wheels Workshop Performance Series Camaro ZL1 from 2012. So again, yeah, I said Speed Hunters. It's got the number 68. So you probably use this as a race car. I think the red on the roof is pretty nice. It's all like an artistic touch on the top there. I don't know what you would call that sort of pattern, but it's a pretty nice car. And these wheels were really nice and loose. It should be a really nice track car, or even on the 6-lane raceway downhill. That would be pretty cool. Now, I just wanted to check out this 2018 release of the 2012 Camaro ZL1. It was in the 50th anniversary Camaros series. And it's very nice black, just a little bit of green, grey interior. The card art was absolutely beautiful. Look at it, it's a really nice car. It's very simple. I love the grey base. It's got those MC5 wheels with the red chrome rims, clear windows, see straight in. I think the black makes the ZL1 on the hood pop. You really notice it. Also, the Camaro on the front quarter panels, you see that symbol, looks really nice. This was probably, I don't know, it was hard to pick, but I really like this one. Out of all 10 of the cars that we're opening today, this was probably one of my favorites. Also got a release in the Camouflage series in 2015. This is probably, along with the red car releases with those clear red wheels, this Camouflage one is probably one of my least favorites out of the collection that we've opened today. What color is this? It's a brown, but it's almost like a metal flake brown, although it is not listed as a metal flake. It is just listed as a brown. It's got the clear windows so we can see right into that black interior, which is pretty nice. It's got a lot of the camouflage tampos all over it. Big number 7 on the sides. Hot Wheels on the hood there as well. I mean, it's not a bad car. It's something nice to add to the collection. It's got those really nice chrome wheels, but for me, I just didn't really like this one as much as I liked the other ones. What do you think about these details used in the camouflage Camaro? Alright, let's check it out on the track. We're going to try all of them, even though they probably perform similar, but they all have some sort of different wheel configuration, like wheel type and the looseness of the wheel on the axle. So you saw the red one went around a few times, gave him a pass. Let's check out the blue one. So all of the four in the first Hot Wheels showroom release, sorry, my mistake, the new models release all had the same wheels, so I was expecting them to all perform well. It was the Hot Wheels showroom, they also have the same wheels, but they are the OH5 wheels that usually perform very well on the track. Yeah, here we got some OH5 wheels here. You see the spin on that. Although I didn't like these wheels, they're very good track wheels. So I was a little bit disappointed to see it fall out of the loop so quickly. That one performed a little bit better, but was a bit of a wipeout at the end there. Let's try out that Zamac. That was my fail, didn't push it far hard enough. Give it another go. You see, they're all taking the loop the first time quite nicely, so I'm suggesting that this car, no matter what wheel configuration it has, is going to be an okay track car. Probably needs a few more extra boosts, but yeah, they all perform pretty well. And this Hot Wheels Workshop Performance one, I had to stop, didn't fall out of the loop, was really nice, and it's wearing those MC5 wheels, black and chrome color. I didn't expect that one to perform so well, but it looked like it was going to be the best of the lot. Now my favorite, this black one with the green stripes, it fell out of the loop straight away, so I gave it a second shot because it was my favorite. And not too bad, it performed just like all the other ones. Took the first loop and fell out the second time. Now the camouflage one, same thing. So we can see that they're all the same sort of car, all the same sort of wheels, but that Hot Wheels Workshop Performance one was definitely the standout here on the track. Alright, let me know which one of these cars that we've opened today is your favorite for the 2012 ZL1 Camaro. Or maybe you've got it in some of the releases that I don't have, because it has been released 16 times. Do you have the exclusive SEMA? That was a really nice one in a Spectra Flame anti-freeze yellowy green color. Pretty cool car. Alright everyone, big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels garage. Thanks everyone.